Ultra-Shear's 1¼ inch carbide-tipped compression pattern and flush trim bits ensure your pattern routing can always go the right direction. With bearings both above and below the cut, you can always work with the template where it needs to be. To ensure safe operation and obtain the smoothest cuts, pattern routing should always follow 3 rules. Feed into the rotation of the bit, generally right to left on a router table. On the edge of your project, work downhill whenever possible, and transition from edge grain to end grain as you go around corners. The thicker your project, the more critical these rules become. Ultra-Shear's 1¼ inch carbide-tipped compression pattern and flush trim bits give you both top and bottom bearings, so you can flip your project over and make sure you're working safely and getting the best cut possible. On a simple rectangle like this, 2 corners would be done with the template on top, and 2 corners would be done with the template on the bottom. That way, you're always cutting downhill and always transitioning from edge grain to end grain. The 1¼ inch cutting diameter has the mass to easily handle thick material, like chair legs, and it will step over slight imperfections in your pattern. We offer them in 2 cutting lengths, 1½ inch and 2 inch. They're simply the best choice for pattern routing furniture components. We manufacture these bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages. Just great bits at a great price. Ultra-Shear 1¼ inch carbide-tipped compression pattern and flush trim bits. Production pattern routing in material up to 2 inches thick. Order yours today. Have an idea for a router bit you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.